Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Most welcome to you. Dear students, this is your Kamal sir. Hopefully we are going to start our class formally. Please let me know top line of the board, right side, left side, and light and sound quality. Is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? Dear students, in the comment section you can give your attendance, also you can invite your friends. Inshallah, within a short time we are going to start our class. So please let me know, is everything okay? My dear, yes, everything okay. We are going to start our class formally. Okay, dear students, today we will discuss here algebraic formula derived. Okay, basically okay, my dear students, please let me know everything okay or not. Today we will discuss actually how algebraic formula comes from, the algebraic formula derived. So, and how we can make the relations in between two formula, and how square formula gradually converted into the cubic formula. Today we will discuss these topics. So dear students, first we can start it from here, like this, a plus b whole square. We all know this is the multiplication of a plus b multiplied with another a plus b, and then the doing multiplication we will get here a times of a plus b, then b times of a plus b, and then we can write here a square plus ab plus b square, and then we can write here a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So generally we can say here like this one is a plus b whole square is came from multiplication of a plus b with another a plus b, and this is the first formula. So now if we shift a square and b square in the left side, what will happen here? If we shift here a square and b square, so we can write here like if we start here 2 times of a square, like a square plus twice ab, and then plus b square is the result of a plus b whole square. Just left side is in the right side is in the left side. Now if you change here like a square plus b square, so what will be happened here? A plus b whole square is in the right side, a plus b whole square, but if you change here minus twice ab from left side to right side, it plus twice ab, this one will be minus twice ab. So this is another formula, so we can write here this is another formula, a square plus b square equal a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Similarly, if we can start it here like a square minus twice ab plus b square is equal a minus b whole square, or you can derive this one, multiply a minus b with another a minus b, the result will be a square minus twice ab plus b square. So but if you change now here this one, it will change here the minus twice AB left side to right side. So left side to right side. What will be here? The new one is the number 3. You can write here. This is the number. This one is the number 3. This one is the number 3. But now we can write here number 4. A square, then plus B square. Now shift here minus twice AB left side to right side. And the right side already we see here A minus B whole square, and this the left side is minus twice AB. So in the right side this one will be plus twice AB. So dear students, what we see the relation, if we make the relation in between them, basically A plus B whole square came from the multiplication of A plus B and A plus B. Similarly, A minus B whole square is the multiplication of A minus B with another A minus B. From the first multiplication, we can derive the formula A square plus twice AB plus B square equals to A plus B whole square. So now, from this first formula, if we shift here plus twice AB from left side to right side, this one will be the another formula of A square plus B square equal A plus B whole square minus twice AB. So this is most common and usable formula in algebraic expression. So similarly, if we multiply A minus B with another A minus B, the result is A square minus twice AB plus B square. So now if you change it's like as previous one, minus twice AB from left side to right side, this one will be A square plus B square. This minus twice AB changes left side to right side, this one will be plus twice AB. This is another formula. Basically you have to memorize this formula in doing the algebraic expression. The most common and usable formula in algebraic expression, A plus B whole square is the A square plus B square equal A plus B whole square minus twice AB, or A square plus B square equal to A minus B whole square plus twice AB. What is the relation in between them? In the both case, left hand side A square plus B square, A square plus B square, both are the same. So there are two formula of A square plus B square. This is called the plus formula, this is called the minus formula. If the value like A plus B given equal 10, then AB equal 5, what will be the value of A square plus B square? Then you have to apply this formula, like A plus B equal 10 and AB equal 6. Then what will be the value of A square plus B square? In this case, which formula you will apply? Now give attention, this value is given here plus. Now this is the plus formula A plus B whole square. So in this case you have to apply the plus formula A square plus B square equal A plus B whole square minus twice AB. But if the value is given here, the negative A minus B equal 10, A plus B equal 6, then what will be the result of A square plus B square? Now the given information is negative, minus. Now you have to apply this formula. So in the both case you have to memorize what is the basic formula of A square plus B square equal A plus B whole square minus twice AB, or A minus whole square plus twice AB. This is called the plus formula, this is called the minus formula. Okay, dear students, sometimes students do mistake here in choosing the formula plus 1 or minus 1. But now give attention, if we make another relation in between them, like this one, A square like A square plus twice AB plus B square is the result of A plus B whole square. So again the A square minus twice AB plus B square equal A minus B whole square. We all know these two formula. So if we add between them, what will be the new result? My dear students, if we add first one with the second one, what will be result here? In times of addition, minus twice AB and plus twice AB, they will eliminate each other. So here will be 2 times of A square, and here we see here 2 times of B square, and this one is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. So this is the another formula, 2 times of A square, 2 times of A square plus twice B square equal A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. So doing the addition in between first one and second one, we can make another new formula. This one is, or if you take here the common, 2 as a common, what will be result here? 2 times A square plus B square equal A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. And this the another most usable and common formula in algebraic expression. So this one A square plus B square, A square plus B square, 2 times of A square plus B square, this all formula basically came from the first one and second one. Doing the addition in between them or changing left side to right side, you can derive the new form. And so, my dear students, I think this is clear to you. Dear students, if we do subtract in between first one and second one, what will be result here? If we do subtract like this one, if we do subtract here, if we this is the addition, and if we do subtraction, what will be result here? If we do subtract here, A square and A square, this one will be now, this one will be minus. In times of subtraction, this one will be minus, this one will be plus, this one will be minus, and this one will be minus in times of subtraction. So A square, they can eliminate each other. Twice AB plus twice AB, this one will be 4AB. And here A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. So this is the formula of 4 times of A and B. So 4 times of AB is the subtraction of first one and second one, and 2 times of A square B square is the addition of first one and second one. So we can derive two formula, 4AB and 2 times of A square plus B square. By making the by doing the addition, then we will get this one, and doing the subtraction we will get this one. So dear students, please let me know, is it okay to you or not? We are going to discuss here how we can make the cubic formula. These all are the formula related to the square. How to find the square or square of algebraic expression. But in this same format, we can derive the cubic formula. Please let me know. We are going to start here the cubic formula. Dear students, please understood, sir. Thank you, sir. My dear students, please let me know. This is the all formula related to the square form, but how we can derive the cubic formula? And in the class 8, you have to start and you have to apply the cubic formula. So actually, formula is nothing but the process of multiplication, like A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. By making the multiplication, A plus B multiply with another A plus B, we can make the formula of A plus B whole square. And similarly, if you multiply with A minus B, multiply with another A minus B, we will get here the formula A minus B whole square. Now making the relation, sometimes if you change the left side to right side to left side, or if you do add or subtract, you can derive the new structure of them. So these all are related with the square form. Now we will discuss how cubic formula derive. Okay, my dear students, I think So, dear students, if we write here like a plus b whole cube. So we all know here like a cube equal a times of a times of a. Similarly, a plus b whole cube is a plus b times with a plus b, then times with a plus b. What we see here already, we have shown here like this one, a plus b multiply with a plus b. We all know this result is 2 times of ab plus b square. And if we do multiply a plus b with a plus b, this one, okay, I think this is maybe easy if we write here blue color, okay, and this is now a plus b. Okay, first we will multiply a plus b with a plus b. The result is a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. This one remaining same. Okay, if we do now multiply with this, first we will multiply with a with them and b with them. Or you can start it from here, left side to right side or right side to left side. In both sides you can start the multiplication. Okay, if we start from the left side, what will be here? Now a square multiply with a plus b. Then plus twice ab multiply with a plus b. Then plus b square multiply with a plus b. So what will be result here? A cube plus a square b plus 2 times of a square b plus 2 times of ab square plus ab square plus b cube. Now what will be result here? A cube plus a square b and 2a square b. So 3 times of a square b plus 3 times of ab square plus b cube. So finally we can say here, a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So dear students, if we write here like a plus b whole cube is the formula of a cube plus 3 times of a square b plus 3 times of ab square plus b cube. So this is the first formula of the cubic formula, a plus b whole cube. Now we can make that to another formula by changing the left side to right side or right side to left side. Now give attention here. How we can derive another formula like a cube, and this is the now b cube here. Now in the 3a square b 3ab square, we can take here common 3 times of ab. Because 3 is this one, we see here 3, here also we see here 3. A square b ab square, so we can take here 3ab common and the remaining is a b. Now what we see here, a plus b whole cube is the another form is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Like this one, a plus b equal 5, then ab equal 2. What will be the formula of a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube, and a plus b whole cube equal what? So now you can apply this formula. A plus b whole cube equal a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Then directly after putting the value 5 and 2 successively after doing calculation, you can find the value of a plus b whole cube. So this is the formula. Okay, another formula we can start it here. This is the first cubic formula. Successively we can write here, similarly we can write here a multiplication formula like this. A cube a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, then minus b cube. Like a minus b multiply with another a minus b. After doing calculation, finally you will get here a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now taking here common our a cube, this is the minus b cube, and here taking the minus 3ab as a common, and the finally is a minus b. because minus minus, this one is plus minus minus, minus minus plus. So what we see here, a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube equal a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So this is the cubic formula. Okay, if we write here like, if we change this one left side to right, this one, if we change right side to left side, what will happen here? If we change this one, so if we change 3ab a plus b right side to left side, and the right side remaining part is a cube plus b cube. Here a cube plus b cube, and here a plus b. In the left side, a plus b whole cube. In the left side already, right from right side, 3 times of ab into a plus b. This is the plus. Now if we change right side to left side, this one will be minus 3 times of ab and a plus b. So now what we can say here, a cube plus b cube is the formula of a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. The 3 times of ab into a plus b, all are the multiplication here. This is the one factors, a plus b is one factor, b is another factor, 3a is another factor, 3 is another factor. So together if we change right side to left side, only we will change the coefficient of the operation symbol, this one outside the bracket, because there are more than one factor. So if we change here minus, this automatically this one will be changed. So that's why this one is now minus. So finally we can write here a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is the formula of a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Similarly, if you find the formula here like this, this one is the a cube. If we write here a cube minus b cube, and change this one from the left side to right side to left side. So here a minus b whole cube, this one, and this is the minus, so minus 1 will be plus 3 times of ab into a minus b, and finally this one is the a cube minus b cube equal a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So my dear student, this is the cubic formula. Another formula we can write here after doing the factorizations. If you take here common, okay, I think dear student this is clear to you. Okay, if you take here the common like this one, we can write here another line. If we take here the common, which one is the common in the left side? Left side is a plus b is the common here. Because this is the a plus b, there is also a plus b. So a plus b is common. So the remaining is a plus b whole square. Because this one is cube. So only a plus b is common. Remaining is a plus b whole square. A plus b is common. There will be 3 times of ab. And the right side is a cube plus b cube. So we see here like this one is a plus b. We know here a plus b whole square is equal a plus b whole square a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square, the minus 3ab equal a cube plus b cube. Now do simple calculation here. So what we will get? A plus b and here a square. This is plus twice ab minus 3ab. This is a minus ab, and another one is b square is the formula of a cube plus b cube. So this is the formula of factorization. A cube plus b cube factorization formula, this one. And similarly you can write here, similarly from here you can take, if you common a minus b is common, the remaining is square plus ab plus b square will be the formula of a cube minus b cube. So basically cubic formula started from a plus b whole cube, a plus b multiply a plus b multiply a plus b. Successively you will get here all the plus formula. a plus b whole cube factorization formula and the corollary form, then a cube plus b cube. Similarly, a minus b whole cube formula will give here two formula, a cube minus b cube, and their corollary form and the factorization form. So dear students, please let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will now review your comment. Then we will practice 2 math by using this algebraic formula. Dear students, please let me know. Too much easy, just making the relation in between them. সো আমি একটু কথা বলি, এই যে দেখো ফর্মুলাগুলো, এই ফর্মুলাগুলোর স্ট্রাকচার কিন্তু খুব ডিফিকাল্ট কিছু না, মাত্র a প্লাস b হোল কিউব, a প্লাস b হোল কিউবের স্ট্রাকচার থেকে আমরা এখানে ফর্মুলাগুলোকে ধারাবাহিকভাবে ক্রিয়েট করতে পারবো। এখন অনেক স্টুডেন্ট আছে যারা এই ফর্মুলাগুলো না বুঝে মুখস্থ করে, তখন প্লাসের জায়গায় মাইনাস, মাইনাসের জায়গায় প্লাস আসবে। তুমি যদি একটু ধারাবাহিকভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করো যে এই ফর্মুলার স্ট্রাকচারটা কিভাবে তৈরি হচ্ছে, দেখো a plus b হোল কিউব, এখন তোমরা সবাই মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন জানো যে a plus b এর সাথে a plus b এর সাথে a plus b multiply, then after doing the multiplication you will get here this result. The multiplication you will get here this result. Now taking the common, successively taking the common, you can make the corollary form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equal a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. এখন দেখো এই যে এই সাইডটা হচ্ছে রাইট সাইড, this one is the right side. এই রাইট সাইডটাকে আমরা যদি লেফট সাইডে চেঞ্জ করি, তাহলে শুধু রাইট সাইডে এখন আমাদের যে পার্টটি থাকে, the right side is a square plus b square. তাহলে a square plus b square এর সাথে this is the 3 times ab and a plus b. This is the right side. Now change here left side, so the plus 1 will be minus 1, and this is the another formula of a cube plus b cube. So এখানে দেখো a plus b আছে, এখানে a plus b আছে, তুমি যদি a plus b কমন নাও, নেওয়ার পরে সাকসেসিভলি ক্যালকুলেশন করলে a cube plus b cube এর একটা ফ্যাক্টরাইজেশন ফর্মুলা আসবে। সিমিলারলি we can make the factorization formula for a cube minus b cube, মাইনাস এর ফর্মুলা হচ্ছে প্লাসের ফর্মুলা। এই ফর্মুলাগুলোকে আমরা বিভিন্ন ভাবে, this is the algebraic multiplication form, ওদেরকে আমরা জিওমেট্রিক্যালি আমরা ফাইন্ড আউট করতে পারবো। দেখো জিওমেট্রিক্যালি আমরা কিভাবে দেখাবো, যদি আমরা এখান থেকে দেখাই, geometrical interpretations of algebraic formula, আমরা এদেরকে একটু জিওমেট্রিক্যালি দেখাই। দেখো like this one is a minus b whole cube equal a minus b multiply a minus b multiply a minus b multiply a minus b. This one is a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square will give these two factors, and this one is the same. So now if we make the relation like this, one, 2 and 3. So this is the plus 1, this is the a square, this one is minus twice ab, this one is plus b square. Now first one a square minus twice ab plus b square. Here we see here plus a so what we see here, this one is like a square minus twice ab plus b square. Here this one is a, this one is a, and another one is minus b. Now we will multiply here, then finally we can write the answer. So dear students, like this one, Okay, we can write here answer. Now a multiply with a square, a multiply again, a square minus twice ab plus b square. The first one is square, second one minus twice ab, third one plus b square. In this vector a minus b, first one is a, second one is a minus b. Now we will multiply. Okay, we can multiply here. A multiply with a square, this one will be a cube. A multiply with minus twice ab, this one will be 2 times of a square b. Now a multiply with a b square, this one is a b square. Again a multiply with a square, a multiply with minus twice ab, a multiply with b square. Now minus b multiply with a square, this one is minus a square b, a square b. Minus b multiply with minus twice ab, minus minus plus, this one is 2ab square. And then minus b multiply with b square plus b square, plus minus minus b cube. Now this is the total result of these two multiplication of two factors. And inside the box 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the result. The blue color is the result of multiplication there. So finally what we can write here, the result is a cube. There is no more a cube, so this one is a cube. Minus 2 times of a square b, 1 times of a square b, totally here 3 times of a square b. Like here, plus 1 times of ab square, 2 times of ab square, this is the 3 times of ab square. Ab square is the b cube, so this is the b cube. This is called the geometrical interpretations of a plus b, a minus b whole cube. So dear students, finally we can say here a minus b whole cube equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. By doing the simple factorization like this, if you multiply here a plus b, multiply with another a plus b. So just do a box here. Now this is the plus a, this is, we can start it from here. This is the plus a and plus b, another plus a plus b. Now plus a multiply plus a square, plus a multiply b, ab, b multiply a, ab, b multiply b, b square. Now what is the result? The result is totally inside the box. Inside the box what we see here, the a square, ab plus ab, 2 times of ab, b square is here. So this is the result of a plus b whole square, that is a plus b multiply with another a plus b. Similarly we can find here a plus b whole cube. Just making the relation, first you can find the multiplication of a minus b and a minus b. This is the result. So this result is 3 separate part, and the remaining factors a minus b, the doing the multiply a with them, b with them, and the doing the all terms add inside the box. Finally we will get the result of a minus b whole cube. So dear students, if you have any more question, please let me know. You can derive the all formula by using this multiplication step. My dear students, please let me know, is it okay? তোমাদের এখন আই থিঙ্ক তোমাদের এখন যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের কারণে হয়তো অনেকে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট রিলেটেড কাজ, যেহেতু আর একদিন দুই দিন বাকি আছে তোমাদের থার্ড অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট, আই থিঙ্ক তোমাদের ফোর্থ অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে তোমাদের ম্যাথে থাকবে না, তারপর আবার ফিফথ অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে তোমাদের ম্যাথ আসবে। সো ইনশাল্লাহ যখন তোমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের কাজগুলো শুরু হবে সেই রিলেটেড কাজগুলো আমরা করব। সো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, আজকে তোমাদেরকে আমি এখানে অ্যালজেব্রিক ফর্মুলার স্ট্রাকচারটি কিভাবে তৈরি হয় আমরা এটি ডিসকাস করেছিলাম। আমরা ট্রাই করব নেক্সট ক্লাসে এই ফর্মুলাগুলো অ্যাপ্লাই করে আমরা ক্লাস 8 এর বই থেকে কিছু অ্যালজেব্রিক ফর্মুলা অ্যাপ্লাই করে কিছু ক্রিয়েটিভ কোশ্চেন আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করব, যেগুলো আমাদের চ্যাপ্টার 4 এর সাথে রিলেটেড 4.1 4.2. So dear students, thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Hopefully see again with you in the next classes. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe Triangular Kamal.